Welcome to part 3 of the 3-part tutorial series on working with a gradebook in Ignitia. In this tutorial, we will focus on how to adjust the content and pacing of individual students' assignments using the gradebook. This will enable you to differentiate the learning experience at the assignment level based on need. We'll start with the assignment view in the gradebook. From here, you can click any assignment title to view the actual assignment. This can be done at any time, regardless of whether the student has begun working on the assignment or not. Click on the assignment title to be brought into the assignment. First, notice the assignment information at the top left. It indicates the student's name, along with the course, unit, and assignment titles. You will see the number of attempts the student has made on the assignment at the top right. Now let's go over a few of the adjustments that can be made within this assignment. Perhaps you wish to skip an assignment because it does not meet a grade level standard or does not fall within the scope and sequence of your school's requirements for this course. Use the Skip button at the top right corner of the page to skip an assignment in its entirety. You can also skip individual questions within the lesson by clicking the Skip button on the right side of each question number. This will be helpful if you have a student with an IEP accommodation that indicates that he or she should not be given a certain question type. When you click the Skip button for an individual question, the question is no longer required. Moving to the student view, you will notice that the student will see the question but will not be required to submit an answer for it, and it will not count against the student's score. The gray arrow will appear next to the question number, indicating to the student that the question has been skipped by their teacher. If you click the Skip button by accident or change your mind about skipping a question, you can click the Don't Skip button in order to restore the question. Keep in mind, though, that doing so will automatically reassign the question back to the student. You are also able to reset an assignment that is in assigned status but has not yet been completed. Clicking the Reset button on an assignment will open a new window which explains that all scores and answers for this assignment will be cleared. If you wish to clear the student's work in the assignment, click the Confirm button. If not, choose the Cancel button. Note that resetting an assignment will not clear the attempt counter. Next, we'll view an assignment that has been graded. The same skip options that we just discussed can be used even after an assignment has been graded. If a graded assignment or graded questions are skipped, the course, unit, and assignment scores will be recalculated based on what has been skipped. If you want your student to do the entire assignment again, click the Assign button in the upper right-hand corner of the page. All questions will be reassigned. You can also choose to reassign individual questions. To do so, first click on the question number that you wish to reassign. Keep in mind that question numbers highlighted in red identify questions that were answered incorrectly. Question numbers highlighted in green identify correctly answered questions. And numbers highlighted in yellow identify questions for which partial credit was awarded. Once you have opened a specific question, you can click the Reassign button underneath the question number. This will only reassign the individual question that is open. As your students work in Ignitia, you'll find that the program will do the majority of the grading of the assignments for you. But there may be times when you want to make changes to the score of an assignment. You can do that by first opening an assignment that has already been graded. Perhaps you would like to discuss incorrectly answered questions with the student. Instead of reassigning the questions, as you did earlier, you can use a manual grading technique. It should be noted that no answers can be recorded from the teacher's side. However, the scores on individual questions can be changed, which will prompt an overall recalculation of the assignment score. To manually grade a question, open the question you wish to verbally review by clicking on that question number. When you are ready to score the student's verbal answer, click in the Points Received box and insert a number within the score range shown. Click the Update button in order to apply the changes. Repeat this process for any other question for which you wish to change the score. You will also have the ability to change the overall score on an assignment. This can be done by clicking on the Update Score button in the upper right-hand corner of the page. Doing this will open the Update Score window and will allow you to insert any score between 0 and 100. Choose the Update button to save your changes. If you use either of the manual grading techniques just described, it is a good idea to also document those changes by using a note, the Help message window, or a message to the student. To create a note, you will need to select the Show Lesson button found at the top left corner of the assignment. From here, locate the place where you'd like to place the note. Click the shadow box that appears to the left of the reading and key in your note. Save the note in order for it to attach to the assignment. To create a help message, click on the Help button within the question that was updated. This will provide a dialog box where you can add a message that will be attached to the individual question for both you and the student. To create a message, you will start by clicking the New Message button toward the top right of the assignment answers. This will open the message window. From here, you will want to select the student or students who you'd like to receive the message by checking the box next to their names. Next, you can check the box next to Assignment Info to automatically add the assignment title in the subject line of your message. Or you can choose to create your own subject line. Then you will key the message. When you've completed your message, click the Send Message button. This view can also serve as an answer key. Click the Show Answer button under the question number that you wish to view in order to see the correct response to the question that you are viewing. This completes our 3-part tutorial series on working with a gradebook. For more information on working with a gradebook and its functions, please view parts 1 and 2 of this tutorial series. If you have further questions or would like more information, please contact technical support at 800-735-4193 and select option 1. Thank you for viewing this Ignitia tutorial.